How to make your business model happen. So far, you've learned how to design your value proposition for your customer and how to capture value for yourself. But how do you produce and distribute your offering? And how do you collect your revenues? What do you have to do? With whom do you have to work? In this video, you'll learn how to design the how of your business model. It's about activities, resources, partners, and technologies. Let's look at the example of Ryanair. Their value proposition is clear. Affordable flights, no frills. The value capturing is clear too. A basic fee and separate payments for anything else. But what about the how? Well, first of all, we have to talk about what Ryanair does. Basically, it flies aircrafts with passengers from one place to another, and they sell seats through their website. Oh, and of course, it transports the bags of the passengers, if the passengers have paid for that. So now we know the core activity. Let's talk about resources. Resources can be anything you need to perform activities. For Ryanair, this means planes and landing rights at airports, but also the booking website and the software that makes their very efficient flying schedules. Or even the clothing of flight attendants or the pilot's cap. Resources are also people. The pilot, flight attendant, help desk agent. The company might need resources that are controlled by others. Ryanair cannot fly an airplane unless they can land on airports and use the airport services. Think about air control or security checks, but also handling companies whose employees and technologies handle the customer's luggage. Now, as we all know, partners bring benefits, but often come with some hassle. First, when dealing with partners, you need to consider how to divide the roles. Who is going to do what? Does that partner have the required resources? Second, you need to consider how the partner makes decisions. Who's in charge? Can Ryanair dictate their terms to the airports? Or does the airport tell Ryanair what to do? What if Ryanair wants to do more flights, or at different times? How is that decision going to be made? Third, you need to manage the complexity of the number of partners. Does it make sense to partner with 2 baggage handlers, so you have some redundancy? Or will the coordination with 2 handlers create too many headaches? And fourth, you need to make sure that all interests of the partners are covered. So you have to answer this question, what's in it for each partner? And does their business model fly as well? Okay, so let's think about your business model. You've made a value proposition and a revenue model. Now, what are the activities you need to make it happen? What are the resources to do those activities? Like technologies, people, skills, expertise. And which of those resources are controlled by other organizations? Are you willing to partner with them? And how? Who's going to do what? Who's in charge? And what will be the cost of coordinating? And do you think your partners will be up to it? Is it in the interest of their business model to work with you? Challenging questions, but this is what it comes down to for realizing your business model. Luckily, there are tools that help you to answer these questions. See you in the next video.